And lot number 415 is the 1938 Lincoln Model K Victoria Convertible. This is an exceedingly rare, custom-built 145-inch wheelbase Model K, Concours-winning body-off-the-frame restoration and hand-selected for exhibition at the 2022 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance in celebration of 100 years of the Lincoln Motor Company.
Yep.
Please note the VIN is K90002 and the engine number is K9002.
There you have it. One of my favorite cars in the sale. Yes, correct. Absolutely one of the nicest custom body Lincolns you'll ever find, ladies and gentlemen, who give $400,000. At $400,000. At $400,000. You get $300,000. I got everybody wants to bid $100. You give $200, $50, $200, $150 seated here, $200, $150 on bid, $200, $175, $200, $200, $25, $225, $225, $200 on bid, $225, $225. Everybody can bid. $200 on bid, $225, $225. Selling today, I think, guys, $225, $225. $200 on bid, $225 at $225,000. $200 on bid, $225 at $200 on bid, $225, $225, $225. Don't miss this at $200,000, $225, $225,000. Are you all done? At $200,000 on bid, $225,000. You're out on the telephone, $225, $205, $210. 210, 215, 215, 215, 220, 5, 225, 225, 225. Everybody can bid at 220, John, 225, 230, 240, 240, 240, 230, 240. At 230 on bid, 240. At 230 on bid, you can all bid, 230, 240. At 230 on bid, 240,000. One of the prettiest Lincolns you'll ever buy, and it's selling. He brought it here to sell at 230 on bid. Selling tonight, 240, 240,000, 235, 240, 240. Is that a yes? Marty, 240. Thank you. Oh, way in the back, 245, 250, 250, 245, 250, 250, 250, 5, 255, 60, 260. He's out in the back, 260. 255, it'll be 260,000 now, 155, 60. 255, 60 bid. 65, 65, 65, 70, 270, 270, 270. You're out in the back, Jim. 270. You want back in? 270, 80, 280, 280, 280, Marty. 280, 290, 290, 280 on bid. 290, 290, 290. Buy the best. 290, 290. 280 on bid, 290, 290,000, 285, 290, 290, 290, 5, 290, 300, 310, 300 on bid, 310, 310, 310, 310, 300 on bid, 300 way over here. You're out, sir, and you're out. 310, 310, 310, 310 in the back. At 300,000, I sell the car then if you're all done. At 310 for the first time. 305, 310, 305, 310, 310. Yep, 15, 15, 310, 315. I sell it when we're done. At 315,000 for the first time. At 315,000, 320. 320, 320, 315, 320, 5, 25, 325, 325, at 320 on bid, 325, 330, 330, 330,000, 330,000. I love it. I think you do too. 330 and 5, 335, 335, 300,000 on bid, 335. I sell it then at 335, 335, 340, 340, 340, 350 on bid, 360, 360, 360. Just get it bought. 360, 360, 360. 350 on bid. 360. I sell it if you're done at 360,000. I'll give you a second. 355. 360. 360. Hey, the best things are worth the effort. 360. 360,000. 360,000. I sell the car if you're done at 355, 360. 5. Brian, 365. 365. On the Lincoln, 365,000. 375,000. You want to do that? I got 65 bids, 75. 375. Might be the one that works. 375. 65 is bid, 375, Marty. Yeah. 375 is bid, 385. 385. 385,000. 385. 385. 385. 380. 390. Marty, 90. 380. 390. 390. Or, hey, Marty, see if you give 400 in this madness. 380. 400. 400. Just do it. 400,000. At 400,000. 380 is bid. I'm going to sell the car then, Marty, at 380,000, 400 for the first time. Yeah. 400. Hey, 400,000's bid. Give him a big hand. 400 on bid. 425. 400,000 is bid. 425. 425. 425. I sell it at 400,000. 425. At 425. At 425. 405,000. 410,000. Mercy goodness. 410,000. 410,000. At 410,000. At 410. Fair warning, we're going to set two records here. One for the most for a 38 Lincoln and one for the longest it's ever taken to sell it. 405 is bid. 410. At 405, and I'm good both ways. 405, 410. At 405 is bid. 410 for the first time, ladies and gentlemen. What you got for me, Marty Mart? What? Yeah. 410 I got. 415. 415,000. 415,000. It'll only hurt for a minute. 415,000. It'll hurt a lot if you don't get it, though. 415. 420. 420. 420,000. 420,000. 420,000. Fair warning, at 415,000. 420,000. I sell the Lincoln for the first time. Yeah, Marty? 425 is bid. 450. 450. 425. 450. 450. 450,000. At 450,000 for the first time. We're going to sell it at 450,000 for the second time. At 450,000 for the third. Are you sure? And final time. Thank you for your help. Give them both a big hand. Sold 425,000. Sold 425. It's going to a great, great collection. Number 1919 at 425,000.